Down. Oh yes! What are you doing? I'm like, holy shit!
Kick him out! Very, very, very unsafe and very, very unintelligent. And if it continues, you guys are gonna have to.
Well, I mean, it wasn't like on purpose, so.
I know. You know what? I mean, do you want to be taken out on the ambulance today?
No. Let's
You
do
don't
that.
want to be taken out on the ambulance. If you don't want to be taken out on the ambulance, know what you got. Get your level up. Get your level up to where you can stop and you can stay in the control. Because you guys are all learners, right? So you guys want to, get your turns down, and then if you want to do stuff like that, do jumps and stuff like that, then you can do that. All right? You don't want to be, first day learning, and then Hannah says bystander. End up not skiing for the rest of the season.
All right.
Ruin her racing career because she breaks a leg or something like that, okay?
Yeah.
The camera good?
Yeah, camera's fine.
You don't have it lanyard on? You're a dog.
It is lanyard on, but only the clip is.
What?
Yeah, I don't know.
That doesn't make any sense.
Look, can you lanyard yours on?
I thought I did.
No.